Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover Clickup versus Notion. Best Clickup alternatives from Monday, Asana, Jira, Trello, Slack in the AI era. In this rapidly evolving digital age, managing projects efficiently has become more crucial than ever. The integration of AI and project management tools has further revolutionized the way teams operate, making it imperative to choose the right platform that aligns with your workflow. Today, we delve deep into two popular platforms, Clickup and Notion, and explore some of the best Clickup alternatives such as Monday, Asana, Jira, Trello, and Slack. We'll guide you through the functionalities, benefits, and potential drawbacks of each, helping you determine which might best suit your needs in this AI-driven era. Let's kick things off by diving into the world of Clickup and Notion. These are two prominent platforms that many of us rely on for managing our projects. Notion has evolved from being a simple digital notebook to a comprehensive workspace where autonomous AI agents can build databases for you. This transformation has made it a favorite for those who appreciate a more open-ended approach to project management. On the other hand, Clickup has committed to its one app to replace them all mantra by turning into a high-speed command center. This platform handles everything from live team chats to complex sprint reporting, providing a robust solution for those who prefer a more structured environment. So, what sets these two platforms apart in terms of handling your daily tasks? Notion treats each task as a wide-open page, serving as a container for meeting recordings, rough sketches, and checklists. This flexibility allows you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. However, it's important to note that this open structure can lead to chaos if not organized with some internal logic. In contrast, Clickup offers a more structured approach right from the start. With 15 different views and the ability to nest subtasks within subtasks, Clickup aims to provide a ready-to-wear solution for high-intensity task management. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need comprehensive control over their tasks. When managing entire projects, the differences between these platforms become even more apparent. Notion adopts a knowledge-first approach, allowing you to create a project hub with project goals, research documents, and task lists all interconnected. This approach facilitates a deeper understanding of the project's context, making it ideal for projects that require extensive research and documentation. However, it lacks the built-in pulse of a dedicated project engine that can track workload distribution among team members. In contrast, Clickup excels in its agile and Scrum capabilities, offering features like native sprint points, burn-down charts, and a workload view. These tools are invaluable for managing development teams or fast-paced agencies, as they provide a clear overview of task distribution across your workspace. This reduces the need to sift through multiple folders, streamlining project management. As we delve into the AI capabilities of these platforms, Notion AI has become a personal editor and researcher. It excels at extracting key action items from large databases of meeting notes, and can even draft project proposals from scattered bullet points. This integration enhances the writing process, making it more fluid and efficient. On the other hand, Clickup has introduced Clickup Brain, a sophisticated neural network that connects tasks, documents, and team members. It can write daily stand-ups based on completed tasks or summarize lengthy comment threads, ensuring you remain informed without wading through unnecessary details. Collaboration is a critical aspect of any project management tool, and Notion has made significant strides in this area. With a more stable API and synced blocks feature, Notion facilitates seamless collaboration. Information like project status or mission statements can be updated in one location and automatically reflected across multiple pages. This is particularly useful for asynchronous work, which has become the norm for many teams. However, Notion still relies on third-party tools like Zapier for more advanced integrations. In contrast, Clickup offers a built-in chat view similar to Slack, enabling you to keep conversations alongside your work. Additionally, Clickup Docs, a native collaborative document feature, allows you to link tasks directly within the text, creating a cohesive environment where you rarely need to leave the app. Templates play a vital role in jump-starting new projects, and both platforms offer extensive libraries. Notion's template gallery boasts contributions from a vast community, offering templates for everything from CRM systems to habit trackers. These templates provide a custom feel without requiring users to build databases from scratch. Clickup, with over 1,400 templates, offers a range of options from beginner to advanced levels. However, the complexity of Clickup's features can make even a template feel daunting initially. Nonetheless, it provides a comprehensive system for those willing to invest some time in learning. Ultimately, the choice between Clickup and Notion comes down to your preferences and needs. If you prioritize documentation and creative flexibility, Notion is your go-to platform. On the other hand, if tight schedules and intense data tracking are your priorities, Clickup might be the better fit. We'd love to hear which platform you're leaning toward, so feel free to leave a comment below and let's figure out your perfect setup together. Let's explore some of the best Clickup alternatives available today. We'll look at Monday, Asana, Jira, Trello, and Slack, examining their unique features and how they compare to Clickup in the context of AI integration. Monday is a versatile project management tool that offers a highly customizable interface, making it suitable for teams of all sizes. Its visual boards make tracking tasks and progress intuitive, and its robust automation features help streamline repetitive tasks. In the AI era, Monday's integrations with AI tools enhance task automation, allowing teams to focus more on strategic work. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or a product launch, Monday provides the flexibility and power to adapt to diverse project needs. Asana, known for its user-friendly interface, focuses on simplifying task management for teams. It offers a range of views, including lists, boards, and timelines, to cater to different project management styles. Asana's AI-driven insights provide valuable data on team performance and project progress, helping managers make informed decisions. Its ability to integrate with a wide array of apps further enhances its functionality, making it a strong contender for teams looking to enhance their productivity. Jira, a favorite among software development teams, offers robust capabilities for agile project management. Its powerful issue tracking system allows teams to manage bugs and feature requests efficiently. In the AI realm, Jira's integration with machine learning tools helps prioritize tasks and predict project timelines. For teams deeply ingrained in software development, Jira's comprehensive features provide the necessary tools to manage complex projects effectively. Trello, with its iconic card-based interface, offers a visual and straightforward approach to project management. It's particularly favored by small teams and individuals due to its simplicity and ease of use. While Trello might not have as many built-in AI features, its integration capabilities allow users to connect it with AI tools for enhanced functionality. Trello's strength lies in its simplicity, making it an excellent choice for managing personal projects or small team collaborations. Finally, Slack, primarily a communication tool, has expanded its capabilities to include project management features. Its real-time messaging and integration with numerous third-party tools make it a central hub for team collaboration. While not a direct competitor to Clickup in terms of project management, Slack's ability to integrate with AI tools enhances its communication capabilities, making it a valuable addition to any team's toolkit. In conclusion, the choice between Clickup, Notion, and their alternatives ultimately depends on your team's unique needs, preferences, and the nature of your projects. Each platform offers distinct advantages, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. We hope this exploration of Clickup versus Notion and the best Clickup alternatives has provided valuable insights to help you navigate the world of project management in the AI era. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of Clickup versus Notion, best Clickup alternatives from Monday, Asana, Jira, Trello, Slack in the AI era. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.